Today we are trying the Milk Makeup PoreEclipse Mattifying Primer. We are going to try it out, we're going to test it out, and we're going to do a wear test. My skin type is definitely mixed. It's not really oily, but it's definitely not dry. I usually wear mattifying primers, so I think I'm a really good person to test this out, okay? This is supposed to make your pores look smaller. Okay, now that we introduced each other, okay, we are introduced. So first we're gonna start with my forehead. I'm gonna bring you a little bit in. So as we can see, my pores are definitely, they're here. I'm gonna use it on this side of my forehead. So let's see how it works. For the pore blurring effect, we have to wait 60 seconds. And now you can actually see the line where the primer starts and where it ends. So this is the pore blurring side and this is the side without the primer. I would say the difference is, it's pretty obvious. Okay, I'm gonna put it all over my face and then I'm gonna apply my foundation. This blurred my whole life, look at this. No filters, nothing. The foundation is just gliding on this. The foundation, I'm gonna finish my makeup and then I'm gonna get back to you. This is the final look. I'm gonna go out and we're gonna see how the makeup holds up. See you in a few hours. So this is my makeup after 5 hours. As we can see, the skin is still pretty matte. I think the makeup really held up like a champion. This primer though works wonders. Absolutely love it.